Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is finally a scent talk. And today, i-share ko sa inyo yung aking review with this Zara Discovery set. I have here 4 scents. Eto sila guys. Ayan, super ganda ng itsura niya. It comes in this box. Tapos nakalagay dito yung 4 na set na meron sa loob. We have here Red Zara Temptation, Zara Golden Decade, Zara Rose Gourmand, and Zara Hypnotic Vanilla. So these are all eau de parfum and 30 ml yung laman niya. So i-check natin sila and then i-review ko sa inyo. So when you open this box, ganyan siya. And then, tada! Ayan siya guys. So 4 yung laman niya. Ang ganda! Ayan, so we have here Red Zara Temptation, Zara Golden Decade, Zara Rose Gourmand, Zara Hypnotic Vanilla. So yung compartment niya is yung usual na itsura ng Zara. Ganyan, 30 ml bottle and then golden cup, golden sprayer. So let us start ng review kung ano yung mga amoy ng bawat scent na to. Lahat sila guys, first time ko maamoy. So first we have this Zara Red Temptation. So Red Temptation for her was launched in 2020. Top notes are saffron, bitter orange, and coriander. Middle notes are praline and jasmine. Base notes are amber, moss, and musk. So this one is, sabi daw nila, a dupe of the Baccarat Rouge 540. Sabi nila, pwede din daw ito for unisex, pero according to the site, it's for her. So, ibig sabihin, for girl siya. So, ang top note na maamoy mo daw dito is amber, according to Fragrantica. Let us try this Zara Red Temptation. Okay. Ooh. Initially, you will get the mossy, musky, smoky notes. Naamoy niyo na si Baccarat Rouge. Alam niyo parang opening niya na medyo burnt, toasty scent. Ganun yung opening nito guys. This is nice if you are into warm, deep scent. Perfect to sa mga panahon na malalamig o kaya naman if you are going for clubbing o kaya naman mga events na nasa air condition kayo, hindi ka masyadong pagpapawisan. Hindi siya yung type of sweetness na gourmand. This one is a sexy and deep scent. So if ganun yung bet nyo, you go for Zara Red Temptation. Again, perfect to sa mga nighttime events or if malamig. Okay, next scent on this box is this Golden Decade. Golden Decade is a oriental fragrance for women. Golden Decade was launched in 2021. Top notes are mandarin orange, middle notes are orange blossom, jasmine, and lavender. Base note is vanilla. Sabi naman nila, it is a dupe to YSL Libre. Okay, medyo mas malakas yung pang-spray niya as compared to the This is a floral forward scent. Ang top notes daw nito are mandarin orange, pero I'm getting heavy white floral scent. It has jasmine and lavender. Medyo mas toned down siya as compared dito. Ito kasi parang a deep sultry scent. While this one, medyo mas pa-girl siya. Like, mas timid yung scent na to, if you get me. Alam mo yung parang scent na isusuot na medyo mas mahinhin na girly. Ito kasi medyo for clubbing, for nighttime event. Sweet, it's floral. Meron din siyang hint ng lavender. It's a floral, comforting type of scent na isusuot ng mga office girlies, ayan, yung mga nasa 20s, gano'n yung nakikita ko na vibe niya. Mabango siya, guys. I think kahit may white floral siya, I feel like I prefer this better kesa dito. Kasi parang mas safe yung scent na to. Alam mo yung parang hindi gano'n nakaka-off. Unlike this one, nakakabigla kasi yung sweetness and yung pagiging dark ni Zara Red Temptation. But still, it's nice. Paras ko silang masusuot, yun nga lang, I don't know, maybe I'm aging. Ayan. But I like this. Kahit meron siyang hint ng white floral, hindi siya yung parang dry type of white floral. No, it's a sweet type of white floral. This is Zara Golden Decade, something that I can suggest if you are into mga girliness. Wala tayo guys, sa exciting part. So, I've been looking for this scent na matagal na. Palagi ako nakakakita nito and medyo mahal kasi siya. So, this is Zara Rose Gourmand. Finally, maaamoy ko na siya. But, weird. Okay. Kasi nagtaka ko, ayun, doon ako nakikita niyo, yung stone niya is medyo, nakaangat. Nakaangat pala talaga siya. Okay, so let us talk about this Rose Gourmand. Rose Gourmand for her by Zara is a oriental floral fragrance. for women. Top note is rose, middle note is amber, base note is vanilla. It has rose, it has vanilla, amber powdery, and floral. Siyempre, rose is gourmand. When I read about the gourmand, talagang gustong-gusto ko na 'to maamoy, and then from the reviews na napapanood ko. Ayan. So let us talk. This is not what I'm expecting. Naamoy niya. Parang I'm imagining parang a sweet rose with marshmallowy type of vanilla gourmand. But then it's weird. Top note niya is rose and amber and vanilla. But to me, it's a floral plus nutty scent. May nakukuha ko, wala siyang tonka bean, guys. But let me know if naamoy niyo yung si Rose Gourmand and may naamoy kayo na tonka bean sa kanya. Kasi tonka bean yung naaamoy ko sa kanya. If familiar kayo sa amoy ni Lux Organics na parang Dreamy Bliss in color purple, and also yung perfume, ano ba yung nirap ko ilagay ko dito, na Opulence. Ganun yung amoy niya. It's a sweet floral scent. Mabango siya, guys, pero hindi lang siya yung ina-expect ko na like super, super tamis. Kasi nga Rose Gourmand. I'm actually a little bit disappointed. Or siguro nga, because of my expectation. Pero as a scent, magagamit ko naman siya. I can envision this scent as parang, yung parang naka-chic outfit ka, like naka-skirt ka, ganun. Pwede siya sa malamig, and pwede rin siya sa mainit. Kasi hindi naman pala talaga yung heavy gourmand vanilla marshmallow, hindi naman pala ganun. Nutty siya, so pwede siya day to night, ayan. Mas girly para sa akin si Zara Golden Decade, mas daytime appropriate siya kaysa kay Rose Gourmand. Si Rose Gourmand is medyo malamig na araw, ganun, pwede din siya. Ayan. So weird. Akala ko talaga parang vanilla yung marshmallow siya. But anyway, mabango naman si Rose Gourmand. I can still use this. Yun nga lang, hindi siya kagaya ng ina-expect ko. Pero yung outfit na babagay dito is mga chic, girly outfit, like mga skirt, gano'n, mga pink and white outfit. Ganyan na-imagine ko sa kanya. Pero hindi ako ganun ka-fan. Later, i-rate ko sila. Ayan. Next one is this Zara Hypnotic Vanilla. Ito yung kasamahan ng Starlight Vanilla na pabango ko. Alam nyo ba, last Christmas, Christmas wish ko tong si Hypnotic Vanilla. And I'm so happy na ngayong pangalawang Christmas na gusto ko siya. Nagkaroon ako. Hypnotic Vanilla by Zara is a fruity, floral gourmand fragrance for women and men. This is a new fragrance launched in 2023. Apricot notes are apricot flower, jasmine, vanilla, bourbon, musk, and caramel. A captivating, sweet, and long-lasting fragrance. Okay, so Hypnotic Vanilla, siya yung pinakaiba, black kasing packaging niya. Siyempre, ito ay from the Vanilla series. So, pag naman hindi na siya amoy vanilla, talaga naman magtatampo na talaga ako sa earth. Sorry. Pina-process ko pa, choice. Okay, this one, upon initial spray, ito yung gourmand na gusto natin. Kung gourmand girly ka or kung kaparas kita na, alam niyo, mahilig sa gourmand fragrance, hindi ko ito na yung para sa atin. Para sa box na to. It has a rich, vanilla-y, caramel-y, sweet type of scent, pero hindi siya cloying type of scent. It's just perfectly sweet, creamy, and delicious. Hindi siyang little parang nutty scent, pero nangingibabaw yung vanilla-y, caramel scent. Ang bango na, guys. It's a perfect comforting scent if you are wearing parang a fluffy jacket, a comforting sweater, ganun yung suot nyo. Feeling ko, magagamit nyo to if you want parang mga scent for like stay-in, movie, ganun. Kung gusto nyo lang magpahinga. Ayun, ito yung scent na pwede nyo gamitin. It's very comforting, it's very relaxing, sweet, parang nakayakap sa'yo yung scent na to. Perfect sa December, perfect sa maulang panahon. Feeling ko, I don't know, parang ito yung iuuwi ko ngayong December, ngayong Christmas vacation. It's slightly powdery as well. Like, parang perfect balance siya ng caramel, vanilla, and powdery. Not too sweet gourmand na parang masakit sa ulo, nakaka-off. Still a perfume type of gourmand, hindi yung parang mga gourmand or sweet na baby cologne or parang mga body mist. No, it's not cheap smelling. It smells like a gourmand perfume talaga. Perfume talaga yung amoy niya, guys. Mabango. Ang ganda tong line na to kasi si Starlight Vanilla, nagustuhan ko rin siya. And then, also this Hypnotic Vanilla. Ang bango niya, guys. If you want a dedicated review of or a comparison video of the Hypnotic Vanilla and the Starlight Vanilla, just let me know in the comment section below. Pero definitely, this is my favorite from this batch, Hypnotic Vanilla, as well as the Golden Decade. I was shocked, as well as this Golden Decade, I was shocked kasi white floral nga siya. Pero still, it has vanilla naman. So, ayun. Silang dalawa yung pinaka-favorite ko. And I feel like pinaka-na-disappoint ako dito kay Rose Gourmand, which is yung may pinaka-mataas akong expectation. Ayun. Pero I will let you know if ilang araw nagbago yung, yung taste ko, gano'n. Pero still, ang pinakamagagamit ko dito, especially for this season, December, is the Hypnotic Vanilla. And as a Golden Decade naman, parang for everyday, for school, gano'n. Silang dalawa yung pinaka-favorite ko. But still, kung feeling ko ba worth it, yung collection na to, yes, especially if you are discovering or if you are exploring new scents. Kasi 30 ml lang sila, and then sobrang mura lang talaga ng pagkakuha ko nung set na to. So if you're interested, merong page yung napagbilan ko nito. I will link them down below as well as the account of the owner para ayun, matry ninyo if they still have stocks. So yun lang for this video. Natuwa ako kasi sobrang favorite ko to si Golden Vanilla. Ayan. Sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. So that will be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this to your friends na may bigyan sa mga perfume. That will be all kasi I'm sleepy. Pagod na yung boses ko.